Okay, on this rational equation, we're asked to solve it. We can try to do that by combining. It's easier if we can just take and cross multiply. This is a proportion that we have set up right here. So basically we can take this 6 here and multiply it by the 4, and then we can take this x here and multiply it by the x plus 2. And that's really going to be our easiest route that we can try to do here. So let's try to do that now. So we've got 6 times 4, and we've got x times x plus 2. Now we can distribute this. 6 times 4 we know is 24. X times x is going to give us x squared, and x times 2 is going to give us 2x. Okay, so now what we're trying to do is we can just move this 24 onto the other side so that we can get everything onto one side. So we're going to subtract 24 from both sides. Now we've got an equation, 0 equals x squared plus 2x minus 24. Now you can notice that this is a quadratic equation. You can plug it into the quadratic formula. That will work. I also see that this one is factorable. Two numbers that multiply together to give me negative 24, but add together to give me 2 are positive 6 and negative 4. So I can do my factors that way. So I'll do that now. And when you've got this set up, all we're going to do is set each of these up equal to 0. So we've got an x plus 6 equals 0, and we're going to go ahead and solve that one. And an x minus 4 equals 0, and we'll solve that one. Okay, so the x plus 6, we'll subtract 6 from both sides. X equals negative 6. With the x minus 4, we're going to add 4 to both sides. So x is going to equal 4 and negative 6. We will indeed have two answers on this one. One thing you always want to be aware of is that you can have what they call an extraneous solution. That's one that if we plug these back in, it will not work, so it does not count as our answer. So you want to make sure to plug in negative 6 into this one to make sure that it works. And you want to plug in 4 into this one as well to make sure that it works. I have done that. I do know that these work, so we're okay there.